Hey Tim, did you know that the Phoenix area has more than one major airport?
I didn't know that.
In addition to Sky Harbor, we also have Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, located here in the East Valley. We're going to take a special tour today to see what's happening with their new expansion and everything else going on in the area. Let's hop in and head out. Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport opened in the 90s, but didn't start servicing passengers flights until 2004. We're excited to stand in the newest expansion. We are in a new terminal area that offers additional gates. They currently have 10 gates, however, only 7 of them are usable at a time. This new expansion will allow them to have 11 gates, all of which can be used at the same time, offering so many more options for passengers flying out of Mesa Gateway Airport. If you're craving delicious tacos, don't worry. Macayos will be expanding into the new terminal. This wall is where we were just on the other side at the expansion. It'll be gone. This will turn into another door. We'll have outdoor patio seating so you can enjoy your delicious Mexican food while waiting for your flight. Commercial planes and flights, Mesa Gateway Airport also has service space for your Gulfstream plane, or Allegiant Airways does their service here. But on top of those, they've got some pretty amazing stuff like this guy right here with Top Aces. This is an F-16 that was formerly owned by an out-of-country military force. And now they are a private company that works with the U.S. military to help with training exercises from different places around the U.S. For joining us as we toured Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport today. I hope you enjoyed learning about some of the amazing things that Phoenix's East Valley offers. Thanks again.